Hey guys, welcome to tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Protonmail account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Protonmail account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address proton.me like this guys and hit on enter. And then at the search result of Google, on the first search result you can see there is the official homepage of Protonmail. Click over there, and this is the homepage of Proton guys. And in order to sign up for account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a create a free account button available. First click on that create a free account button and you'll be taken to this page where you can see all of the packages available for individuals as well as businesses according to your time frame. And with that being said guys, if you're just an individual getting to seeing to get a Proton account, you can go for the free version and later upgrade your Proton mail account according to your wish. And if you have a business, simply go to the business tab, and over here guys you will be able to see these options and go through these get mail essentials or get business buttons to sign up for a business account. But we'll be going to the just individual sign up for free button over here in order to show you how we can sign up for a create Proton account for free. And you can later again guys later upgrade your subscriptions over here. And guys, over here you'll be required to enter your Proton mail accounts or your username, which you are going to be using a little later with your proton.me subdomain. In other words, your account in Proton Mail is going to be your username at the rate proton.me. So enter your username correctly, and that enter your password guys, and again repeat your password in order to make sure it's correct. And while using your password, while entering your password guys, make sure to use a capital letter, a small letter, some special characters, some numbers in order to make it strong. And after entering your these credentials, simply click on create account, and on the next step you'll be required to verify that you are a person that is trying to create a Proton mail by verifying your phone number or your email address with your some extra credentials. And you will also be required to enter your names over here on the verification tab after you have clicked on the create an account. And with that being said guys, this is how you create a Proton account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.